Imagine you're a video creator and you want to make an awesome video, but you're facing some challenges like coming up with ideas, editing your video and making it look cool. AI tools can help you with all of these things. Idea generation. Sometimes it's hard to think of new ideas for your videos, but there's an AI tool called Dream Studio that can help you with that. All you have to do is type in a few words and Dream Studio will create an image based on your words. Background remove. When you're filming a video, you might not always have the perfect background, but there's an AI tool called Remove.b that can help you with that. Remove.bg can take out the background of your video and put in a new one. Facial expression editing. Want your characters to have more emotion in your videos? There's an AI tool called Runwaymal that can help you with that. Runwaymal can change the facial expressions of your characters. Vector illustration creation. If you want to add some cool graphics to your videos, you can use an AI tool called AutoDraw. AutoDraw can help you create vector illustration, which are like special drawing that can be resized without losing quality. AI tools are like magic helpers for video creators, so you can make videos without having to work so hard. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.